can totally see my makeup. Hello friends, this is me Leneha Junsu. Welcome back to my channel. Is it a nail polish or is it a blush? What is it? Let's get started. Today we are reviewing a PIEU Juicy Punk water blusher that comes in 12 different colors and costs around $9 US. You can see peaches are engraved on the packaging. Packaging is so cute. Now I opted for OR01, which is a peach color, as you can see from the packaging too. So this product claims that Watery blusher delivers a clear, juicy color with a soft and dewy finish that blends well with your skin. The product is packaged like a nail polish with frosted glass bottle. It is said to shake well before using it. Now I have used creams and powder blushes before, but this will be my first time using a liquid blush. The color of the product is mentioned under the bottle. It opens like a normal nail polish, and the brush and the touch of the brush is exactly like of a nail polish brush. The product is thick and not at all watery as I was expecting it to be. I am blending it with my finger here, and this product is not at all matte. One thing that I am noticing is that this product moves on your skin before setting, so do not keep on blending only in the middle, or else this product will be no more in the middle and only at the sides. So blend the edges more. Now let's try it on my face with a sponge. The sponge gives a matte and natural finish, but it aids the product a lot. So let's try it out with my fingers. The color payoff is good, but it is moving my foundation and looks a little weird. So I guess it is better to use it with a sponge. If you're going to use it with fingers, it's going to give you a dewy finish, and if you're going to use it with a sponge, it's going to give you a matte finish. But I think it gives more of a natural finish as it blends well with the sponge. It looks really natural and beautiful. In fact, I love this. I will rate it 4.5 by 5 as I see myself using this a lot. The only con is that it moves the foundation, so use it with a sponge. Now, which method would you guys prefer? Don't forget to tell me in the comment section below. And yes, one more thing, that this blush is going to look very beautiful on every skin type. So yeah, this is me Leneha Junsu signing off. Bye bye, take care.